Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Kona versus Hyundai Creta. We'll explore their key differences in design, performance, and practicality to help you decide which compact SUV best fits your lifestyle. The Kona is known for its agile handling and distinctive styling, perfect for city adventures. The Creta, on the other hand, emphasizes comfort and space, making it a strong contender for those needing more room. When it comes to performance, both SUVs offer compelling options. The Kona provides a choice between a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 147 horsepower or a more powerful 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with 190 horsepower. The Creta counters with a 1.5-liter petrol, a 1.5-liter diesel, and a 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine, offering diverse choices for different driving needs. Fuel efficiency is also strong, with the Kona achieving up to 31 combined miles per gallon. Inside, the Kona and Creta prioritize different aspects of practicality. The Kona boasts a cargo area of up to 25 cubic feet with the rear seats in place, making it quite versatile for its class. The Creta offers a generous 433 liters of boot space, enhanced by 60/40 split-folding rear seats for extra flexibility. For technology, the Kona impresses with dual 12.3-inch integrated displays, while the Creta offers a 10.25-inch touchscreen and a panoramic sunroof on select variants. Ultimately, choosing between the Kona and Creta depends on your priorities. The Kona is often favored by urban drivers and first-time SUV buyers who appreciate its compact size, nimble handling, and modern tech. The Creta, with its larger interior and emphasis on comfort, is a strong choice for families and those seeking a more premium, spacious experience. Both offer excellent value within their segments, backed by Hyundai's strong warranty. Consider your daily needs and lifestyle to make the best decision. And for making meal prep a breeze, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.